Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I went from this to bone straight sleek shiny hair to big voluminous body wave curls that you guys see right here. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this with just one product, it's worth a watch, so stay tuned.
Hey, alone, if you're not alone, why am I alone? You want me to, am I wrong?
Alright, so before we get into that, I got my hair sewn in for the first time ever by someone else. I went to Petal Salon. This is a new salon in New Orleans. Here's the owner, Amanda. She's such a doll. So before we sewed in the hair, she washed and conditioned my hair, and I really appreciated that because, you know, people want you to come blow dried and all of that. So I did get the experience with getting my hair washed before my sewing. So after that, she blow dried my hair, and also make sure you check the description box for the salon location and also the stylist that I went to. She did really good. So I decided to go with a side part, which is very rare, especially with my natural hair, but I plan on heat training my hair, so I didn't care if it was damaged or not with the curls. She moisturized my hair with some oil, and then I'm using 3 bundles of hair from Baby Air collection. Make sure you guys check them out. It's the best hair ever. And we only used 3 bundles. We didn't even finish the 3rd bundle, which is insane. And this was 30, 30, 28. So I'll have all the information on this hair down below if you guys are interested in trying out this very versatile hair. Like, look at this. This is no product, no styling done to it. And look how good that blends with my natural hair. Like, come on now.
If you throw another pretty party, looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me.
So I told her I wanted to keep the original wavy texture, so all she did was add a few crimps to the top of my hair to make it blend a little better with the extensions, and it looked so good. This was the waves brushed out, nice, big, and fluffy, exactly how I wanted it. And I had every intention on straightening and curling my hair a few days later, so I just wanted to keep it really big like this. So now that that is completed, let's get into this hair, okay?
I'm out here being
So after I was done with those waves and the big wild hair for a couple of days, I wanted to change it up. So this came at the perfect time. I will be using my TYMO Airflow 2-in-1 straightening and curling iron. And y'all, let's get into the details. So as you can see, Airflow appears to just be a regular curling iron, but it's way more than that. It has 5 different heat settings that range from 280 degrees to 430 degrees Fahrenheit, and you could choose this depending on the texture and also the thickness of your hair. But my favorite part about this iron is that you see these little holes right here. They have this on both sides of the plates, and this is 360 degree airflow technology that pushes out cold air to help set your curls once they're done. So you guys know how we like hold our hair after we curl it? This helps in speeding up that process, so check this out. Like, how crazy is that? Like, who came up with this? I want to know who came up with this. So I put this to the test. This is what I started out with, big old blown out hair. And not only was I trying this out on my extensions, but I was trying this out on my natural hair. So I went ahead and flat ironed one side of my head, and look how beautiful and silky and shiny this is compared to my other side that is still wavy and poofy. So I really enjoyed this flat iron because not only does it curl, but instead of me just using a regular flat iron and having to clamp that on my hair, making sure I'm putting tension on it to make sure that heat is getting through all of the strands, this was super easy because a regular flat iron is originally open, so you have to clamp it. But once I put my hair into this barrel, it was already clamped, and all I had to do was glide my comb down and have the iron chase it. So it made the process super fast, easy, and effortless. So this was another plus on top of it being a 2-in-1 product to begin with.
Baby, I'm talking crazy.
So now that I finished my extensions, I'm gonna go ahead and start on my natural hair. And if you are particular about certain types of irons that you are using on your hair, whether it's bleached, colored, or even natural, but you like to use heat on your hair, I would suggest using ceramic irons. So the plates on this flat iron and curler, they are ceramic, so this causes way less damage when you are styling your hair. So we typically may use tourmaline or even titanium to get like that bone straight, silky, shiny look, but you still can achieve that with these ceramic plates and it causes way less damage. So make sure you keep that in mind when you are styling your hair using heat a lot. It's best to use ceramic plates. So I really like this about this tool as well. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do my baby hairs, nothing spectacular, but I have to admit that I only passed this flat iron through my head one time. And this is how I achieved this look. Came out beautifully, but my favorite part is the curling. So I have to show you guys how I got it straight and just like the whole specifics of this amazing tool, but the curling part was my favorite. So once we get through these baby hairs, make sure you stay tuned to see how I achieve that look. So once I completed the entire flat iron process, this was from wavy to straight, and now we're going to my favorite part, which is curling the hair. And I did kind of mess up on the first curl because it popped out prematurely, but the curl still came out so good and it made me excited to curl the rest of my head. But once I got the hang of it, it was such a breeze. And I finished my entire head in about 20 minutes, so it was really quick. Oh, I was not. Okay, I did that wrong because it flipped out and I didn't hold it long enough, so I'm gonna do it again. Cool. Wow. Okay, so that was the first curl, and I was like, okay, let me not get too excited because I still got to do the rest of my hair. But once I saw that it did it with every single curl, that's when I was like, okay, this is a game changer. It's not even that loud, which I'm surprised about, but that is insane. Wow. Yeah, like, look at this. Wow. I'm gonna actually put all of these in one curl. All right, so now that y'all see that the hair straightens and it curls and it sets and cools those curls while you're doing the rest of your hair, I just wanted to explain and touch bases on what I also like about this product. So, you know, it's really rare to find a product that you can actually straighten and curl your hair with. And we know that with a curling iron, you can only curl your hair. You can't get bone straight hair with a curling iron. It's for barrel curls. But with a flat iron, granted, you can still curl your hair, but it makes it super difficult, especially if you have long hair like I have in this video, which is 30 inches or even 26 or 24 inches, it gets kind of difficult because you have to keep opening and closing the clamp for the flat iron to get all of that heat distributed throughout those long strands. But with this actually being a barrel curling iron as well, you're able to distribute that heat 360 degrees into the hair, and you get that perfect coil and just that perfect curl. So everything is just flawless and very uniform instead of going through all of that additional effort with trying to get that curl with a flat iron, because it's a lot. So just by having this tool, being able to get my hair in 2-in-1 different styles, I really appreciated this, and it was very innovative, and I will be using this product way more than my other flat irons and curls because it's just effortless, and I can do way more with it with just one product instead of going back and forth with different ones. So this is the finished result of the curls, and all I'm going to do is comb it out with a wide tooth comb, and then I'm going to spray a little more hairspray in it to set them even more. And I didn't do anything else to this hair but cut some layers in it, but these curls lasted all day, and the only thing that I did to maintain this style was put 4 flexi rods in them, 2 on each side. Well, I put 3 on the side with my actual bang, where my bang lays, and I put 2 on the other side, so 5 flexi rods total, and I was able to maintain this look the entire week that I wore it. So like I said, a 2-in-1 product, guys. This is so beginner friendly, and I cannot wait to experiment more with this on different other types of textures and also different lengths of hair. So thank you, TYMO, so much for sponsoring this video. And if you guys enjoyed this product just as much as I did, I will have a personalized coupon code down below for you guys in the description box, along with all of the links of the tools and hair details as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.
Baby mama,